Today is the day, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, it's tomorrow, but today's the day because it's all in one video for you guys. So the Audi R8 is finally getting the exhaust installed by Spartech Performance, which is located here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Link in the description below. And you guys are gonna be thrilled because it is straight pipes. That's right. Neighbors, my bad, I'm sorry. It's gonna get rowdy, ladies and gents, it's gonna get rowdy. So without further ado, let's hop on in the car, maybe do a little montage or something on the way there, because I think we're gonna probably take the Stinger and the R8 because I gotta drop it off tonight. They're gonna do the work tomorrow, and this video can't go live until at least Saturday. Today is Wednesday, October 2nd. Because anyone who comes to Nashville Cars and Coffee needs to hear the car first, exclusive content essentially. So as you guys are watching this, it's already Saturday, but any which way, let's go ahead and get on the road. Let's roll. Oh, wait. One last cold start with the stock exhaust, just for you guys. So if you're ready to hear a Dyson vacuum cleaner, hey, here you go. Alright, so we got the R8 out of the garage now. She is idling down finally with the stock exhaust, boys and girls. That is the last time you will hear a stock Audi R8, this car in particular, on the channel. This is it, that's it, I'm sorry, that's all you're gonna get. So anyway, let's roll guys, let's roll. And of course, we have a nice cement truck in front of us. Gotta love that when entering onto a freeway. Get clear, there we go. Yep, not ideal right there, boys. And then behind us, you can't really tell, but we have a Tesla, and yeah, so anyway, I gotta merge, so. We've got the Tesla rolling up beside us. There goes, bye Tesla, see ya. What a jelly bean. Oh, wait. That's a Stradman word. Sorry, I can't take it. I take it back. No, I don't. We've got a Dodge Ram behind us trying to ride our bumper even though we're doing the speed limit, and there's trucks everywhere. I don't know what you want me to do there, guy. So the lighting's horrible, but quick little chat session. So, you know, in those situations, like with the Dodge Ram, it's like, guys, where am I gonna go? You know, there's a semi on my right, there's a semi in front of us. Don't ride my rear end. Like, I wouldn't do that to you, don't do that to me. Maybe I'm crazy. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments below, but I mean, we're already going, you know, speed limit, so it's like, don't ride me. You know, if there was somewhere, if I could get over, I'd get over for you, but I couldn't do that. So yeah, anyway, enough complaining for today's video because we're getting an exhaust, boys. Yes we are, and girls, yep. One more acceleration at the stock exhaust. Go, yes. All right guys, we are rolling up to Spartech Performance, or Spartan 4x4, which is on that sign. As always, they have a sick truck right there, which I believe is Hunter's. I believe, I could be totally wrong, but yeah. And I mean, the Stinger looks good. Could we get my Audi R8 on that thing, you guys think? Think I could like get it up there on one wheel, kind of like the big Jeeps do, you know, and just flex on them? I don't know, it'd be a first though. All right, ladies and gents, the last time you're gonna see her with a stock exhaust. Not that you can see anything, but I'm just saying. And on a fun note, over here is Spartan 4x4's SEMA build, which they took last year, I believe. This thing is absolutely bonkers. Yeah, there's a whole like article and stuff on it, so yeah, I mean, like, if you guys want to, like, oh, the sun is awful. That was a terrible frame. I don't care about your guys' lighting. I care about being able to see myself. So, anyway, if you guys want to see it, there's a whole article on it. Just look it up. They're on Instagram, and you guys know, because if you follow me on Instagram, then you see them tagged, then yada yada. So, anyway, let's walk inside. Let's go look at the new exhaust, because I'm going to give you guys a look before it gets installed. All right, let's head on inside here. Woohoo, rocking the blue. Paul, my man, what's happening? I heard you got an exhaust here.
Yes, sir.
Oh, we are going to, and by we, I'm not going to do anything. They're actually going to do all the work. But by we. So anyway, let's go out onto the shop and let's check it out. All right, guys, so over here to my left is the new exhaust. It is a straight pipe, no muffler, and it actually looks really sick, in my opinion. So I'm going to snake you a little corner. I'm just kidding, Anyway, this is the brand new exhaust. There she is. That is it. It should sound so much better. But without further ado, we're gonna drop the car off here for the night, and then tomorrow it's gonna be sounding mighty fine. I think, I hope, I mean it better. So yeah, without further ado, for you guys, let's skip to tomorrow. Whoa, so much lighter. Honestly, you can literally just hold it with one hand. That's crazy. That's gotta be like, I don't know, 20 pounds, maybe? That's gonna save so much weight.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won.
Boys, well, ladies and gents, today is the day. The car is behind that garage door right there, and they're telling me that I'm probably going to be able to hear it through the garage door. Don't know if it's going to come out on audio. We'll see. But I'm so excited for this. It's going to be so good. I know you guys are excited too. So let's see if we can hear it when it starts up. So yeah, let's check it out. It's about that time. Here we go. Oh, I don't know if you guys can hear it. Hopefully you can. It's not very windy outside, so you might be able to hear it. Yeah, I can hear it now for sure. I know you guys can hear it too. There she is, ladies and gents. Looking the same for now, but sounds way different. Sounds way better. Yeah, it's not a Dyson vacuum cleaner, no. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that sounds much better, guys. Much better. If you guys call that a Dyson vacuum cleaner now, you got some serious Dyson vacuum cleaners and you might want to go get it checked out, because that sounds really good. Sounds really good. From inside the cabin, let's see. Yes, sir. Sounds so much better. Yes, 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 yes. So much better, guys. So much better. Huge shout out again to Spartech Performance, who's put the exhaust on there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and there are going to be a lot more footage, or that was a terrible sentence, but anyway, there's going to be more footage of the car, obviously with the exhaust. So hopefully you guys are ready for it. And just like that, this video is over. I'm out. Peace out. See you guys later. Like, subscribe. See ya.